Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode. It's just in the backyard here. I'm continuing on my little series of doing some campfire food. I've seen some recipes online and just none of them quite scream me. Like I tried to make this one the other night and it turned out really good. It did. It just was a little bit salty, and that's Zatarain's for you. It's just salty stuff. But I figure, there's going to be some point where I'm going to break down and not want to use the camp stove, and instead I'm going to opt for a campfire. So I may as well get my chops back used to working with campfires, and this one's looking good. So I think what we will do is build this guy up to a proper level. Yeah, that'll do. And see where our swing out is. Yeah, I think that'll do nicely for this right here. We've got this, I picked it up at Wally World, but it looked good. It was a big chunk of lamb. Where can you go wrong with that? And a roasted apple, and maybe we'll make some salad with it. We got some lettuce. We could do that. You pick greens in the ditches for all that. So let's see how she do. Said to char it and then take it indirect, so that sounds better. Like 10 minutes or so. I mean, it smells pretty good. It looks pretty good. It looks like the marinade is, a little generic, but hey, it's all prepackaged, ready to go. It was cheap. Like we said, everything we're going to be making has to be readily accessible. It can't be like filet mignon and friggin' lobster every night. Although, some of those things I was thinking about doing a catch and cook and like going into a grocery store and catching a hamburger, like grab the meat and have it flop around in my hand, dispatch it with a fork, at camp. I thought that would be funny. So we'll see where this leads. Just bear with us. So far, so good. Isn't that looking nice? Nice roasted honey apple. Some nice medium rare big chunk of lamb. Yeah. I think this is about right. I have my BioLite stove. I haven't broken that out in a long time. I need to charge it up and de-rust it and get the grill and everything working and oil it and burn it again and get it out operational. But that could be a real big game changer in the main micro van, because you can just grab some sticks, do something comparable to this just right out off the table in the back of the van under the awning, and that's really cool. See how this is looking. Oh yeah, she's roasting up. See that grate's far up and off the fire where you can get a good fire going under it, and it's gonna do nothing but really make it more even and smoky. So let's see what the next step looks like. Now we're about 5 minutes in, and she's already looking good. It's got a good char on her. Lots of nice smoke under there. Good lines on her already. Yeah, it's looking nice. Used a fan and got it a little more lively, so I get just the right amount of heat and char on it. Whoop! Oh, almost got ugly there. You could frankly do this on a stick. See that piece of rosemary getting charred there? I like that. Charred rosemary is a good thing to have on the grill. Get some char on and smoke on that apple as well. I don't know what we'll do with that. Probably like a can of green beans or something. Make it a nice little rounded fireside meal. You could just open a can and just have it sitting right there. Yeah, but I'm liking where this is going. I'm always checking the doneness by, you see people do this on the grill right there. Yeah, it's getting about right. Wow, look at how that fire is just licking that apple. Let's have a closer look at this guy here. Oh yeah, he's got a little bit of char on him this side, but just the right amount. Nothing past that, really. Just want to make sure it gets about medium. And yeah, medium rare. We're about done letting it rest. Looking good enough to eat. Well, well. I'd say that worked out very well. Snap some photos here. But yeah, oh yeah, that lamb is nice. Just gonna let it rest. Yeah, I think that was a winner for the small amount of money paid for it. Definitely. So thanks for watching. Always remember, if there's a wealth around you, stay tuned for more.